This video is to do an attempt to repair at Matthe Garrett's property here. Just to do a recap, the insurance company is paying for the front elevation, the right and the left elevation here, and the hip and ridge cap shingles that are actually located directly on the front and rear elevation. The rear elevation is not approved, and as you can see that these hip and ridge cap shingles are nailed directly on both the rear elevation and front elevation. So removing these shingles will cause damage to the existing rear elevation ridge shingles. So you can see that these shingles are installed along the ridge, and these shingles are definitely going to be needing to be replaced due to the nail being installed directly on top. In this case, this one has 2 nails. So this will leave these shingles with exposed nail holes. So these shingles will be damaged and they will need to be replaced. So we're going to go ahead and attempt to detach and remove these shingles. And as you can see, I'm breaking it free. And the sealant should not be transferred over. And as you can see, the sealant has transferred over. You can see there's a gap space. Due to the age of these shingles, the sealant has transferred over. We'll go to the next one, and you can see this one got cracked. You can see, due to the age of these shingles, they're not in a repair condition. And the sealant is just transferring over. So you can see it transferred there as well. So this video is just to demonstrate that if we were to go ahead and replace the ridge cap shingles, we will have to replace the shingles along the rear elevation here, and we're just going to continue causing more damage.